Hey, so this is just a quick demo of the new shortcuts integration in Dropzone 4. So if you open the Shortcuts app and you click the plus here to create a new shortcut, we're going to make a shortcut flow that will take an interactive screenshot and then upload it using this SFTP upload action that I have set up in the grid. So to do this, you're going to want to first add a take a screenshot action. So we'll just say take an interactive screenshot, and we would like it to be custom. So that means we can choose the area that we're actually screenshotting. And the next thing you're going to want to do is save the file to somewhere. So we'll just drag in save file, and we're going to set a predefined place for it to put the file after taking the screenshot. So I'm going to untick that, and then I'm going to set the path to the screenshots folder, which is in my documents folder. And then you can search for the Dropzone actions. So you can see under Dropzone 4 here, we've got a bunch of different actions that you can run. So you can run a grid action with text, you can run a grid action with files, and you can add files to Dropbar, or you can just run a grid action, and you'd use that when you just want to run an action, but you don't want to provide text or files. So in this case, we want to run a grid action with files. And so that's been added into our workflow. And if you click show more, then under the action, you can just choose what action you want to run. So in this case, it's the SFTP upload action. So those action names are just the actions that you've got on your grid. So you can actually see, it's got like Imager and it's got airdrop and pictures and email, because those correspond to the actual names of the actions that I've got set up in the grid. So then we want this files to be the output, the screenshot that's taken up in this step here. So to do that, we just right click on here and go select magic variable, and then just click on the saved file, and then when this workflow runs, it's going to take the saved screenshot in this folder and use that as the file for running the action. So let's give this a quick test, and if we just go run up here, and then we can just select an area of the screen, and you can see that Dropzone's busy doing its upload here. And now if we do a paste here, you can see that it has in fact uploaded the screenshot that we just took interactively. So, it's really cool because you get the URL of the file immediately put on your clipboard. So then you can just paste it into a browser or, into a message or email or whatever. So, it's just super quick to share like a selection of the screen with someone. So the other cool thing you can do is you can trigger this workflow from within Dropzone. So to do that, open the Dropzone grid, and then if you click the plus here in the top left to add another action, and then choose run shortcut, and then you can just pick that new shortcut that we've added and click add. And then if we click that new shortcut, then we can also trigger that workflow to run. So the neat thing about doing that is that this means that the shortcut has also been assigned a hotkey. So I could be, anywhere in the system, and I can just press F3 to open the grid, and then I can hit U, and then I can take a screenshot, have it uploaded, and have that URL put on the clipboard. So pretty cool.